The topic we are going to discuss about is chemical equilibrium, and the subtopic is applications of equilibrium constant. So under the heading of applications, we are going to discuss about direction of reaction, extent of reaction, and effect of various factors on equilibrium constant and position. So first is direction of reaction. The reaction is predicted by the means of product over reactant ratio before it attains equilibrium. So अगर ratio less than है Kc से, it means it is forward direction. अगर ratio greater है Kc से, it means forward direction. अगर ratio equal है Kc से, it means reaction जो है वो equilibrium है. So in this diagram, you can also see अगर Q equals equilibrium के, it means reaction is in equilibrium. अगर Q less than है K से, it means reaction will proceed in the forward direction. और अगर Q greater than है K से, it means reaction will proceed in the reverse direction. Next is the extent of reaction. अगर Kc larger है, it means reaction is almost complete. यहाँ पे you can see Kc is 10 raised to power 55, बहुत large है. If Kc is very small, a little forward direction. For example, यहाँ पे we have 10 raised to power minus 13, यानी कि यहाँ पे बहुत कम decomposition हो रही है. Next, if Kc is small, it means कि reaction जो है वो बहुत slowly forward direction में proceed कर रहा है. In this diagram, you can see यहाँ पे वेरी स्मॉल है, यहाँ पे वेरी लार्ज है, यानी कि रिएक्शन जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है. बहुत स्मॉल है, इसका मतलब रिएक्शन बहुत हार्डली प्रोसीड कर रहा है. और अगर इट इज विद इन नॉर्मल, तो इसका मतलब है कि वो इक्विलिब्रियम पे है. Next is the effect of conditions. Equilibrium constant and position of equilibrium are two different entities. Kc is equilibrium constant जो कि temperature dependent है, जबकि जो position of equilibrium है वो ratio है products की to the reactants in equilibrium mixture. So if Kc is large, it means the position of equilibrium is on the right side. If Kc is small, it means position of equilibrium lies on the left side. So next we have the position of equilibrium. Position of equilibrium अगर left side पे move करेगी towards the reactants, तो मतलब equilibrium mixture में reactants की concentration ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. अगर ये move करेगी towards right, products की तरफ, तो it means कि products की जो concentration है equilibrium mixture में वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. Next, we have a practice MCQ for what value of Kc almost forward reaction is complete. And the options are following. So the most greatest option is 10 raised to power 30. So Kc की value greatest जो है वो 10 raised to power 30 है. That indicates reaction जो है वो almost complete. So this was all about the applications of equilibrium constant. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.